Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply for a job on Upwork. Whether you're a freelancer looking for your next gig or just starting out on the platform, knowing how to navigate the job application process efficiently can make all the difference in landing quality projects. First, open your web browser and head over to Upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Upwork dashboard, where you can start searching for opportunities that match your skills and interests. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in the type of work you're looking for. For example, if you're interested in virtual assistance roles, type virtual assistance into the search bar. Once you've entered your search term, press enter. This will pull up all the available job postings related to your query, giving you a comprehensive list of opportunities to browse through. Take your time scrolling through the results. Each listing will show you key details like the job description, required skills, and the budget the client has set. When you find a job that catches your eye and seems like a good fit for your skills, click on it. This will open up the full job posting, allowing you to read through all the details and requirements the client has outlined. Once you've read through the job description and decided you want to apply, look over to the right panel of the screen. Here's where things get important. In order to apply for jobs on Upwork, you need to have connects. Connects are essentially Upwork's currency for job applications, and each application typically costs a certain number of connects depending on the type of job. If you don't have any connects available or need more, click on Connects. This will take you to a page where you can purchase additional connects or manage your existing balance, ensuring you have what you need to submit your application. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to a job posting on Upwork and are now ready to apply once you've secured your connects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.